Good evening and welcome to tonight's news broadcast brought to you by Albert Nyarugwe, Al the Zimbo, and Taffy the man.
It's no now the chiverengwa.
In Shona.
Neni.
The Center for Unwanted Wives and Husbands has been created in an effort to house men and women who are divorcing their spouses in order to donate them to several charitable causes, especially to men and women who are struggling to find partners. The organization notes that the majority of the donated spouses are women who are accused of being too loud in their homes and are belligerent towards their husbands. Our crew interviewed several former husbands divorcing their wives and donating them to the organization, and the majority have cited fraud as the major cause for divorce with their spouses. They said their wives presented themselves as supermodels before they were married, but turned out to be ghosts after taking off their makeup in the home. The organization's first client is one voluptuous businessman whose name has been withheld for professional reasons.
Kune boka idzva ravhurwa muHarare iro rinosaplaya varume kana vakadzi varambwa nemapartners avo. Kune vaya vatambura nekutsvaka vachishaya kuroora kana kuti wokuroorwa naye kana kuti uri kutsvaka mukomana kana musikana wekudanana naye, chimbomirai zvekuenda kuma-avenues. Torai namba dziri pascreen mozofonera boka idzva iri, unoswera waane wako.
What are you doing? Are you taking down the phone number?
Sha, ndanchungoisa phone yangu pa silent. Please, don't disturb me. Varume vazhinji vatakainterviewa vari kuenda kuboka iri vakati vari kurambira madzimai avo kutaurisa unyope neutsvina. Musati maroorana wakanga uri Kim Kardashian, asi mazoroorana wakachinja ukazoita maisorobi vasingakorobi mumba. Mazino haukweshe, muviri haugeze, chero mbasha dzemukati hauchinje. Chokwadi amai, munosiwa mbaomu muri munhu mumwe kunge masha. Mukuru weboka ratataura iri akati first client yavo ndomwewo businessman akarambirwa nemukadzi wake nyaya dzekukecha. Businessman uyu ane mari dzake, ane mota dzake, ane tunhu twake. Hatichatauri hedu zita rake asi tese tinomuziva.
Moving on to social media news. Mr. Mark Zuckerberg has announced the temporary closure of Facebook following concerns that the social media platform is being used foolishly as a means of settling personal scores. This follows the war that has erupted over the use of the phrase "give me loves and likes" and the live feature, which has encouraged particularly women to outdo each other in losing their dignity in an effort to generate views and followers.
Mukuru we Facebook va Mark Zuckerberg vati vakuda kuvhara Facebook. Izvi zvinotevera mushure mekunge vanhu vakupengereka vachibvisa mbatya nekuposta zvinyadzi paFacebook Live. VaZuckerberg vakuda kuzvidira jecha. Tinoti kumacelebrity edu, hongu Facebook yakuda kuvharwa asi handi kuguma kwenyika, chemai netariro. Zvezhinji kwazvo zvamunokwanisa kuita. Unogona kujoina zimdanso, wototanga kujambisawo mafans. Hazvinei nekugona kuimba kwako, producer anongoisa autotune zvinhu zvotofaya.
In an unrelated incident, however, canned steamed beans are now a hit in town. A study has shown that women now prefer to steam their beans, add preservatives, and can them in order to improve their shelf life. Unfortunately, however, it is alleged that steaming the beans and baking them causes them to wither and dry up before they are canned.
Ah. Yeshamari. Sorutaro zona kuzo. Utaro se beans zip.
Stop being dramatic and be professional.
Aye, Washamari, can't tell me the professionalism, man. Get away, man. You're a racist, Wena. You're a racist.
Tribalist, which I'm not.
Ah, the difference is the same. You get the point, man. At number we run as a tower, Shamari. And the understand. I don't want to bring and Stone Boda is also nice. And Stone Boda zip the tower. Castle Valley, Kuer. Hey, and Stone Boda is also the beans when go guns. Very news the beans. Did actually, because one of the other road watches was the most of the Stone Boda nation and as one. Because that was change with because no didn't hang out tower and use the show. Then you was open nation in nature room. Yakanga iri ganga idzomu kwenyi buruko remezi mashanyu kongonya kutaurisana kwa karambana hapo mapurisa kanzuru akanga atimanyisa mavenda musipiti mapurisa ari kuti haasi kuda nunzva tunzva mara patsetsetse munza mupopoto ukuwo mavenda ari kuti vari kutsvaka cheuviri chitaura kana chiri kutoni taura what's wrong now? Come on, go to German. Ah, German, I'm saying my feelings, gan zogan. Mana. Sha. Muri Zimbabwe. Tina urombo. Uku ndiko kupera kwenawo.